Poland stands at the front line of Europe's security, a nation shaped by invasions, resistance, and survival. For centuries, Poland has been the battlefield of empires, erased from maps and reborn through blood and determination. Today, that history fuels one of the fastest-growing and most serious military transformations in the world. The Polish army is no longer just defending its borders, it is preparing for the future of European warfare. Modern Poland understands one hard truth: peace in Europe is fragile. Sitting between NATO and Russia, Poland occupies a strategic position that leaves no room for complacency. This reality has driven Warsaw to rebuild its military, not symbolically, but aggressively. What is unfolding is not routine modernization. It is a full-scale transformation into a regional military powerhouse. At the heart of Poland's military strength is its land forces. The Polish army has rapidly expanded its manpower, aiming for one of the largest standing ground forces in Europe. Soldiers are trained not just for defense, but for high-intensity conventional warfare. Unlike many Western armies focused on expeditionary missions, Poland's doctrine is clear: fight and win on its own soil if necessary. Armor is where Poland's ambitions truly stand out. The country is replacing aging Soviet-era tanks at unprecedented speed. The arrival of American M1A2 Abrams tanks marks a dramatic leap in battlefield capability. These tanks bring superior firepower, advanced targeting systems, and battlefield survivability that rival any force in Europe. Alongside Abrams, Poland is also integrating South Korean K2 Black Panther tanks, creating a diverse but lethal armored force. Mechanized infantry plays a crucial role in Poland's battle strategy. The Polish army fields modern infantry fighting vehicles designed to operate alongside tanks in high-intensity combat. Mobility, protection, and firepower are prioritized, allowing Polish units to move fast, strike hard, and survive under heavy fire. This focus reflects lessons learned from modern conflicts unfolding just across Poland's eastern border. Artillery has become one of Poland's greatest strengths. Long neglected in many European armies, artillery is now central to Poland's war doctrine. The Polish military has invested heavily in long-range rocket systems and self-propelled howitzers capable of striking deep into enemy territory. These systems provide overwhelming fire support and act as a powerful deterrent against any potential aggressor. Air defense is another area where Poland is rapidly closing gaps. Understanding the modern battlefield means understanding the sky. Poland is building layered air defense systems capable of intercepting aircraft, drones, and missiles. This multi-layered shield is designed to protect cities, military bases, and advancing ground forces, a critical advantage in modern warfare. The Polish Air Force complements this ground power with modern combat aircraft. Poland operates advanced fighter jets capable of air superiority and precision strike missions. Pilot training standards are high, and integration with NATO air forces ensures seamless coordination in joint operations. The Air Force is not designed for show, it is structured for real combat scenarios. Poland's military strategy is deeply intertwined with NATO, but it is not dependent on blind faith in allies. Poland invests heavily in its own defense, spending a higher percentage of GDP on the military than most NATO countries. This commitment sends a clear message: Poland intends to defend itself first and stand strong with allies second. Military exercises in Poland are among the largest in Europe. Thousands of troops, tanks, aircraft, and artillery units regularly conduct large-scale drills, simulating real war conditions. These exercises are not ceremonial. They are realistic, demanding, and designed to test command structures under pressure. Poland trains for speed, coordination, and resilience under attack. One of the most striking aspects of Poland's military evolution is its approach to lessons learned from modern wars. Conflicts in Eastern Europe have reshaped Polish thinking on drones, electronic warfare, logistics, and battlefield intelligence. Poland is rapidly integrating unmanned systems, surveillance technologies, and digital command networks to ensure battlefield awareness at all times. Logistics, often overlooked, is a major focus. Poland understands that wars are not won by firepower alone, but by supply lines, maintenance, and mobility. Military infrastructure across the country has been upgraded to support rapid troop movement and sustain prolonged operations. Railways, roads, and bases are prepared for wartime mobilization. Poland's reserve forces and territorial defense units add another layer of resilience. These forces are designed to operate locally, defend key infrastructure, and disrupt enemy movements. In a conflict scenario, Poland would not rely on a single frontline. Resistance would exist everywhere. The psychological dimension of Poland's military should not be underestimated. Soldiers are trained with a strong sense of national identity and historical awareness. The memory of occupation and resistance is not abstract, it is deeply embedded in Polish military culture. This creates a force motivated not just by duty, but by national survival. Poland's defense industry is also evolving. Domestic production of weapons, ammunition, and military technology reduces reliance on foreign suppliers during crises. At the same time, Poland smartly combines local manufacturing with foreign partnerships to ensure access to the most advanced systems available. Critics often point to the speed of Poland's military expansion, questioning sustainability. But Poland's leadership sees delay as the real danger. In an era where threats can materialize quickly, readiness matters more than perfection. The Polish approach is simple: prepare now, adapt continuously, and never assume safety. What makes Poland unique is not just equipment or numbers, it is strategic clarity. Poland knows exactly who it is defending against, where threats may emerge, and how it intends to respond. This clarity allows for focused investment rather than scattered modernization. As Europe debates defense policies, Poland is already acting. While others discuss future risks, Poland is building forces for today's reality. This proactive mindset is reshaping the balance of power in Central and Eastern Europe. The Polish army is no longer underestimated. It commands respect from allies and adversaries alike. Its rapid modernization, strategic urgency, and combat-focused doctrine mark Poland as one of Europe's most serious military powers. In a world of uncertainty, Poland has chosen preparation over hesitation. Its army stands as a warning and a shield, a force built not for aggression, but for survival in a dangerous era. Poland's message to the world is unmistakable. History will not repeat itself. This time, Poland is ready. If you enjoyed this detailed overview, please like, share, and subscribe to Strategic Armed Forces. Thank you for watching.